How to set up spaces within a center. In this video, we'll explore how to set up the various spaces within your center. Start by ensuring you're in the Setup module under the Spaces category for the center you're working on. Spaces are the physical locations within the center where staff or students can be signed in. While spaces and groups may share names, they serve different purposes. Spaces refer to actual physical areas like classrooms or gyms. Spaces also includes areas like a van for transport, the kitchen, office spaces for admin work, or even the washroom or temporary paid break areas, if you wish to track that specifically. Note that when staff take a washroom or other temporary break, it's advisable to sign out from their current space. This ensures that your ratio calculations in the dashboard and attendance module remain accurate. Next, let's go over the information for each space. Here you'll find the name of the space. To add a space, click the plus sign. To delete, select the space and use the delete option. You can also clone, edit, and rename spaces as needed. Now, let's examine the different fields for each space, using the gym as an example. In the gym space, you'll see the name, type of space, whether it's for play, staff only, for transportation, or other uses like a bathroom. Using abbreviations can be useful for spaces with longer names to keep the attendance module display neat. Question mark icons provide more details about each field. Lastly, let's talk about associated tasks. Your organization may have set up tasks to track staff activities throughout the day, which are linked to payroll and reports. You can assign a space to a specific default task. For instance, staff signing into the gym might have their hours counted under childcare by default. Similarly, a bus space could be linked to transport tasks based on your organization's customization. Although defaults are set for tasks, staff can override them upon signing in. This feature saves time by pre-selecting tasks. Next, select what your space is licensed for. In this gym example, it has a daycare license. Under this daycare license, it can accommodate up to 20 children of various ages, as specified in your licensing plan. This plan might allow for different age groups at different times of the day. Similarly, the gym might host out-of-school care at certain times. To add or remove permitted uses, click New or the X button. Remember, licensing types and permitted age categories vary by region and should align with your general center settings. After adding all your spaces, you're ready to move on to setting up groups. Please continue to our How to Set Up Groups video for support.